T minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, and liftoff.
Ciao Andrea, come stai?
Bene.
Tutto bene? We're making a bit of a giant mess here. Welcome to our newest building site. It's more of a demolition site, what do you say? As Fabrizio is demolishing the old farmhouse we had here. I am actually with Umbria standing on what is left over of an old flying tower. There behind the bulldozer we had old annexes, and the only reason we are standing here is that the other way, we'll see that in a bit, we have just the most gorgeous of the municipality of Monte Castello di Vibio, uno dei borghi più belli dell'Umbria, one of the most charming hamlets of Umbria. So we're now gonna climb down from this mountain of rubble and show you the view and explain what is gonna happen here. Come on. So I'm getting away from the noise and the trouble and the dust and everything to show you where we are here in Umbria. We are now looking at this gorgeous view of Monte Castello di Vibio, straight south from our construction site. So as this direction is straight south, the most logical position for the future pool is obviously right there. In the winter time we don't see it, and in the summertime we have it facing the view and facing south. In the meantime, when we look back at the old house, or whatever is still left of it, we can see that the original old facade was in this direction. Obviously, our client would love to turn the house with the facade, which has a lot of glass in the design, to face the view. I don't know if anyone hears me. To face the view, the valley, and the sun. So we're gonna be giving you updates every once in a while to show you what's going on here. But for today, I think this is it. I'm gonna get out of here and I'm gonna take a shower. Ok Andrea, basta così, ok? Alla prossima. Ciao.